Spicy food is something that we usually crave for, and if it's something to do with chicken, it's all the more delicious. So today's recipe is Achari chicken masala. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a nice wide saucepan. I'm using mustard oil. Take about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon of fennel, half teaspoon of Kalonji seeds. Next add 4 red chilies. To this add 2 onions finely chopped. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. The onions are a nice golden brown color. To this add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. After a minute add the tomato puree. I have taken 3 tomatoes and pureed them. After 2 minutes add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 whole teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. So I have about 1 kilo of chicken. Pour about 1.5 cups of water. Close the saucepan and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the saucepan, add the juice of 1 lemon. Close and continue to cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the saucepan, let the water evaporate a little more. The chicken has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. You can see the gravy is a little thicker. To this I am going to add 2 large teaspoons of pickle gravy. Now you can use mango pickle gravy, it will taste very nice for this, or you can use garlic pickle. So slowly start mixing it in. You can add the pickle gravy and adjust the spice according to your taste. Leave the saucepan open and let the chicken simmer for about 15 minutes. So the oil started separating and I've got the nice chicken masala consistency that I wanted. So if you do want a little gravy, then you can turn off the stove a bit earlier when it has a gravy consistency. So I'm going to turn off the stove and you can serve it hot. So you can enjoy this delicious Achari chicken masala with some steaming rice or roti by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.